No, it gets that way every year, but
Yeah, exactly.
hard to see.
Yeah, we're building it back up, and it was definitely chilly. Not so cold this morning, though.
Right, not so cold this morning. Again, we were talking about it earlier, how 2021 we had well above snow totals across the mountains before we hit that really hot stretch in June, and now then we went near average, and then back again. It looks like we're seeing more of that snow and the extreme cool too weather that we had yesterday, just kind of going back and forth with some of the hot that we had over the summer. Well, we are starting to pick up a little more on that moisture again, and I think could see a few light raindrops as we go throughout our day. We do expect to see some fog too, and you can see that some of that is showing up here at our SchoolNet site in Bellevue. So fog not quite as dense here for us, but we are noticing some areas that are a bit more dense as you get closer to the coast, Snohomish County and the Kitsap Peninsula again this morning. So we are expecting temperatures to start to find their way back up near and above normal as far as those lows. So after seeing the 30s yesterday, tomorrow morning will be around 46. We'll see those numbers bounce up to around the lower 50s by Saturday. Quite warm and balmy, if you want to say it that, and before we start to cool back down for Sunday and for Monday. Today's lows around the upper 30s and lower 40s, 43 in Tacoma, 45 in Renton, 35 right now in Forks, and 44 in Port Angeles. So yeah, some chillier weather and still cooler than normal, but not quite as far off of those averages. 44 with the south wind coming in at 6 miles per hour. We're at 43 in Arlington, mid 30s in Forks, currently sitting at about 40 in Hoquiam, and 44 in Port Angeles, 43 at Mount Vernon. The fog, Kitsap Peninsula again, Bremerton, we're down to about 3/4 of a mile as far as the visibility. Half a mile down to Hoquiam and Forks at about 3/4 of a mile. Rain, that is continuing to impact those of us across parts of North Sound. That will head its way eastward and eventually more of those spotty showers behind, but areas of sunshine will mix in at times with the clouds and some of the rain chances that we do have into the day, but they will be less numerous than what we saw late yesterday, before chances will eventually start to pick up again late into tonight and more so into the day tomorrow with another weak feature that will be passing on by. Highs today reached the low to mid 50s, about 55, closer to Olympia, 50 degrees in Tacoma, 50 also in Everett. Here's your 7-day forecast, expecting to see more 50s for the majority of the forecast. Just one warm day for us. It looks like Saturday will top off at 62, and again next Tuesday as we hit 61.